Welcome, everyone. This is Bethany Barber, and I'm Krista Bartholomew. We are both staff attorneys with the Guardian Ad Litem program. And just to kind of whet your appetite a little, we have 7 beginner-level cases. So after our presentation, if you are motivated, let us know if you would like to take one of those cases. We already have the packets together, so we can get that to you fairly quickly to get you started. And with that being said, I will turn it over to Bethany.
Thank you. Can everyone hear me from where I am? I'm going to stay seated if that's okay. As Krista said, my name is Bethany Barber. I'm a Guardian Ad Litem program attorney here at the Legal Aid Society. Today is all about GAL 101, the basics, what you need to start off your GAL case and transition into a very successful attorney. During the presentation, don't hesitate to raise your hands, ask any questions. You won't throw us. So we'll begin. How to serve the best interest of abused, abandoned, and neglected kids. The structure of the Guardian Ad Litem program is very important, and the #1 thing to know about the Guardian Ad Litem program is that we are here for you. You need anything, there are a million ways to contact us via email, phone, whatever you need, we're here 24/7. Just let us know if you need help. In Orange County, all of the Guardians Ad Litem are attorneys. This is different from other counties where sometimes GALs are lay volunteers. There are distinct advantages to having GAL attorneys. For example, GALs can file their own pleadings, they can make rational arguments in court, they can direct examine all parties, the list goes on and on and on. But that's something that's really wonderful to remember. If you're not capable of doing these things, or if you have some hesitation about doing them, the GAL program attorneys can always assist you with that. In Orange County, in our program, we have 7 program attorneys in our office that are here to help you. And we all have different areas of expertise. For instance, my area is independent living law. It's transition law, the law that affects youth that are preparing to transition out of foster care and generally into a life of independence. We also have case coordinators and volunteer advocates for children in our office. We'll discuss those later at length, but know that they're also available to assist you with your case. Our courthouse is located at 2000 East Michigan Street. It's not to be confused with the big courthouse downtown. We have our juvenile courthouse, great place. All of the juvenile issues happen there, dependency, delinquency, everything. It's structured into 2 divisions. We have Division 3, which is Krista's division. Her judge is Judge Johnson. We also have Division 7, which is Judge Grinswitz. The Guardian Ad Litem program attorney for that courtroom is Kavita Sukraj. And we have the magistrate. That's my courtroom. The magistrate is Odessia Joyner. She hears both Division 3 and Division 7 cases, except the magistrate doesn't hear adjudicatory hearings. So she won't hear the dependency trial. She won't hear the termination of parental rights trial. She won't hear the final adoption, but everything else in between, virtually, she hears and she takes care of. As I said before, and I'm going to say it over and over and over again, the GAL program is here to assist you. We are always here for you, and we're going to accompany you in court almost without exception. And there are 3 primary reasons why we're in court with you. It's to provide dependency-specific legal assistance to you while you're there. Everyone has different styles. We can sit next to you in court. We can be as bold as actually make arguments for you if that's something that you think needs to happen. We can sit there with a statute book. We can directly point, highlight to what arguments you need to make. We can convey your position to the court in your absence. And we can also assist you in filing pleadings and communicating with other organizations, which is essential since you will quickly find out, if you have not already, that GAL work happens at the speed of light. Things change overnight, literally overnight. Okay, standards and practices to follow as a GAL. All the GAL standards and practices are approved by the Legal Aid Society Board of Trustees to assist you as GALs. The purpose of the rules are to ensure that the reports and the recommendations given to you and to the court by the GAL are based on thorough investigation, and that includes regular contact with the child. That's the most important thing, that thorough investigation is based on regular contact. Most of our statutory guidance as GALs comes from Chapter 39 of the Florida statutes. The most important thing to remember is that it's a GAL's obligation to advocate for what's in the best interest of the child. That's not what your child wants, that's what your child needs, what you think is in the best interest.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and have a great afternoon.
We appreciate your service. Thank you.